In today's video, I will walk you through how to add trading pairs to your favorites on WhiteBIT. Adding trading pairs to your favorites is a simple way to keep track of the markets you trade most often. Instead of searching for the same pair every time, you can create a personalized list that gives you faster access to your preferred markets. On the main navigation menu, go to Trade, then click Spot. On the WhiteBIT trading page, locate the trading pair section near the top left area of the screen. Click on the currently selected trading pair to open the complete list of available markets. You can use the search bar to quickly find the trading pair you want, or browse through the available market categories until you locate it. Once you've found the trading pair, look for the star icon next to its name. Click the star to add that trading pair to your favorites. The star will become highlighted, indicating that the pair has been successfully added to your favorites list. If you want to favorite several trading pairs, simply repeat the same process for each one. You can add as many supported trading pairs as you like, making it easier to organize the markets you monitor regularly. To view your saved trading pairs, open the market list again and select the Star tab. This will display only the trading pairs you've marked as favorites, helping you quickly switch between your most used markets. Using favorites can save time, especially if you frequently trade the same cryptocurrencies or monitor several markets throughout the day. And that's all there is to it. Adding trading pairs to your favorites on WhiteBIT.